Hi guys, welcome to Connectra, a platform where we're uniting and uplifting all the businesses of the Jain community. Today we are joined by the creative minds behind Purple Pitara, Rekha and Tina, the owners of a vibrant jewelry brand that celebrates the bold, the beautiful and the fashionably ethnic pieces. Their statement pieces turn heads to timeless designs. So let's find out the story behind Purple Pitara. Hi, how are you guys?
Hi, good. How are you?
Great, great. So tell us about yourself and how did Purple Pitara come to life?
So, this is Rekha and she's Tina. We are sisters and co-founders at Purple Pitara. We've always been passionate about fashion and we always wanted to create a space that offers stylish, affordable jewelry. So, Purple Pitara is a new brand born out of that passion with a very simple goal of providing beautiful jewelry to everybody.
And what inspired the name Purple Pitara?
Purple represents creativity and uniqueness, and while Pitara is a Hindi term for treasure chest. So together we felt it's a perfect name for the brand which we are offering a trove of unique handcrafted and bold jewelry. So that's how we both came to that term, Purple Pitara.
So is it only ethnic jewelry or
We have a mix of ethnic as well as Indo-Western.
Did you always know that you wanted to be in the jewelry business or was it a passion that grew over time?
We have absolutely no background of jewelry. I have done software engineering while she is a postgrad with a diploma in mass media. We could not pursue our respective careers. कुछ तो करना था, उतना पता था, but क्या करना था उसका कोई clarity नहीं था. So we just waited for the right thing to happen at the right moment. And like every other women, we were also fond of bags, jewelry, clothes, shoes.
All the fashion.
All the fashion related products. So हमने सोचा कि इसी में हम लोग we will pick anything and start a brand. Then meanwhile I met a coach called Harvey and on Instagram, and she guided me how how to become a woman entrepreneur and how you can launch your own brand. So she helped me turn my passion into reality. So that's how Purple Pitara was born.
And how would you describe the signature style of Purple Pitara?
Signature style of Purple Pitara would be bold statement jewelry. So like if you want to wear a minimalistic jewelry or a basic jewelry like for a daily wear or something, then Purple Pitara will offer that range also. But our main thing is like statement and bold jewelry which will stand out. So even if you're wearing a simple outfit, just the earring and you're good to go.
Right. And how do you balance traditional ethnic influences with modern trend-setting jewelry?
In this, like we are getting the best of both the worlds. Like we will keep our jewelry timeless as well as modern. So we are curating our jewelry in such a way that the jewelry will have a look of both the things.
And do you collaborate with brands or source materials from specific areas?
Right now we are not collaborating with any brand, but yeah, we are sourcing our jewelry with from trusted suppliers from different parts of India. But we are making sure that our quality and style is not compromised.
Okay, how old is Purple Pitara?
It is just 6 months old.
So just been. So what were the challenges that you faced while building Purple Pitara?
बहुत सारे challenges आए because we had to start from scratch and we had no background, as I already told you, of jewelry. So right from building the brand, building a website, learning all the nicks and nats of handling social media, like smallest things like editing a reel, सब कुछ हमको सीखना था because हमें कुछ भी नहीं आता था. So everything was a challenge while managing house, kids, उनकी पढ़ाई देखना, वो सब के साथ हमको ये सब करना था. So obviously everything was a challenge, but then we were learning new things. और उसके साथ साथ हम सारे challenges भी ले रहे थे. So yeah, we are enjoying this journey and we are looking forward to learn more things as we grow.
So
currently we have no team, so we both are only team. So everything is managed by us only. So all the website thing and everything is done by her, social media part and managed. So that's how we do it.
Yeah, software engineering skills I'm trying to utilize here.
कहते हैं ना knowledge कभी waste नहीं होता है. So you don't know कब जाके काम आता है.
Although बहुत बड़ा gap आ गया, but yeah, but
The
still,
roots are there.
हाँ, yeah.
And how are you balancing this kids and Purple Pillara and family life?
Don't ask.
It's tough.
Yeah,
Yeah.
obviously it's very tough. Coming from a soul community, we don't get enough time for ourselves, so we have to balance that thing at home, looking after the kids. So we have particular time slot. Whenever we are getting free, we are back to our work and we are trying to finish that. So yeah, it is quite challenging, but we are trying to manage.
I want to tell one thing on this question. Like, I remember talking to my husband about this, and I just told him that I'm being very guilty that I'm not giving enough time to our kids now after starting Purple Pitara. So he said a very nice thing, which is, stayed with me. Like, he's like, don't worry. Whatever you're doing, they're learning practically from you. And that's what it happened. When I was just tagging my jewelry and, I was seeing an Excel sheet and thing, they randomly took my phone, they started searching the jewelry by their name, and then they started looking those jewelry in the inventory, and they told me that, okay, this is the stock, this is this. And I was also shocked. They वो लोग खुद कर रहे हैं वो सब.
So they are getting the names of the jewelry and they are
Yeah.
helping us find the jewelry. They are making those boxes which we
So that
use in the
moment was
courier.
very special. That they
And
actually
they
learning
are
jewelry.
always excited to help us. Though we tell them, yeah, you are too young to do it, but they know, मम्मा आपका कुछ काम है क्या Purple Pitara का? Please हमको दो ना, हम अभी free हम अभी करेंगे आपके लिए. So kids are also learning from us. Yeah.
Yes, a lot. For every exhibition we go, they are like, वो लोग boxes बनाते हैं और फिर बोलते हैं मम्मा आपका कितना सेल हुआ.
And that is the first question they
Yeah.
ask when as soon as we open the door, मम्मा आज कितना सेल हुआ? So they are very excited about what happened and how did it go.
How do you deal with the competition in such a saturated market?
So we think that there is enough space for everyone in the market, and our focus is to stay true to our style, and the quality which we are offering at this affordable prices is our USP. So we are not thinking competition, but हाँ कि हमें हमारा जो स्टाइल है वो हमें हमारे बेस्ट प्राइस पे देना है, हमारी क्वालिटी में हमें कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं करना है, और सबके लिए स्पेस है. सो वी जस्ट हैव टू फाइंड द राइट पर्सन इन द राइट टाइम.
So we believe that every product has a buyer. We just have to look for the right person.
Yes.
That's true. So what has been your proudest moment as a brand owner so far? I got
Achieve-
why already that when the kids were
Yeah, that is there.
So achieving good sales, like when we launched that 1 month, we did a 3 lakh plus sale, and that was the proudest moment since we've launched. We were very happy about it. But I also believe that जो भी कस्टमर हमारी ज्वेलरी बाय करता है, पहनता है और फिर हमको इंस्टाग्राम पे टैग करता है, we feel so happy and proud that somebody somewhere is wearing our jewelry and feeling more confident and beautiful about it. I think that is the proudest moment.
And the repeat customer is also like a proud kind of a moment only for us.
And how do you keep up with the changing fashion trends while staying true to your brand?
So we believe in constantly you need to evolve.
Yes, true.
कुछ भी हो fast fashion है, you can't avoid that. So we are staying authentic to our roots also, but we also believe that we need to evolve also, both the things.
And who is the ideal Purple Pitara woman? Describe her.
So she's fearless, she's confident, she's someone who is not worrying to stand out in crowd. She's open about wearing bold jewelry and showing herself, showing herself with pride. So that's a Purple Pitara woman, and she's something who's also rooted in culture, because she has to she's confident about carrying ethnic jewelry.
So what's one styling tip for anyone looking to wear bold ethnic statement jewelry?
So it is very simple. Wear a simple outfit and pair it up with a Purple Pitara bold statement jewelry, and let the jewelry speak. Let it be the hero of your outfit.
So has Instagram or social media helped you shape your brand?
Yeah, social media is very, very, very crucial because majorly we are an online brand, and Insta like is a soul to our business. Through Insta, we can always stay connected to our customers. We can, address their queries. We can keep them posted about the latest updates. We can tell our story to them. So I think there's no other way than social media to reach to people beyond our physical location.
And do you work with influencers or stylists? Is that
Yeah, we have worked with a few of the influencers, and it has helped us gain more followers and gain more trust. So far, yeah. And we are still open to work with influencers in future as well.
And where do you see Purple Pitara in the next 3 to 5 years?
So we see Purple Pitara in the next 3 to 5 years as a well-known brand for statement and bold jewelry. We also want to reach out to people pan-India with using social media, Instagram. Also, we want to step into global markets. But most importantly, I think we want to build a very loyal community who instantly relates with our style.
What's your favorite, when it comes to jewelry? Is it gold or silver? Is it chunky or...
So we are wearing all gold.
Gold, it's gold and chunky, yeah, because I feel it's timeless and yet commanding.
Yeah, and no minimal for Purple Pitara.
No. Yeah, sometimes, occasionally, yes, but this is our USP. Like, कुछ अलग दिखना है, तो you have to wear something statement or gold.
And if you want to see one celebrity wear Purple Pitara, who would it be?
My answer would be by celebrity. I want every girl next door to feel stylish, beautiful, confident while wearing Purple Pitara jewelry.
You all are based out of Hyderabad, so how do you plan to market in cities like Bombay and Delhi?
See, I think social media and paid ads is the only way to reach out to people all over India or anywhere, even outside India. And apart from that, we are also planning to participate in pop-ups happening in major cities. So that's how we will connect to people everywhere.
The travel won't be an issue then?
No. Right now we are not doing that, but maybe in future with a team build-up, we might, we can think about that.
How is the market in Hyderabad?
It's good.
It's good.
It's huge, yes.
Yeah, you have
So, yes, we found that gap in Hyderabad itself because being from Mumbai, born and brought up in Mumbai, and fashion, what we've seen here, we don't see it in Hyderabad. So, कहीं ना कहीं वो भी एक हाई फैक्टर कि कुछ तो वहाँ भी लाना है जो लोगों ने देखा नहीं है. So that way also we thought that Hyderabad would be a better place to start something.
So who has been your inspiration behind the brand?
So our husbands have been the main source of inspiration behind this brand. They've always been helping us, backing us, supporting us, encouraging us about everything that we do. Also, as I mentioned earlier, our mentor Harvi Shah, who has been guiding us and how to strategically launch a brand. So she has supported us in every step. So under her guidance, I think we could do better with her help. And also I think जो हमारे अंदर dedication है, hard work, the creative talent that we have, I think all those qualities we have inherited from our father. So we always make sure that we give our best. So वो quality हमारे अंदर दोनों के अंदर जो है, that creativity that has come from my dad.
I wanted to ask you that we all are sisters both in Hyderabad. So we never discussing okay, let's get into bags, let's get into jewelry.
No, actually we started a bag 12 years back when she was like newly married and she came to Hyderabad. So we thought now we are here in the same city, so we should start something. And then bags का idea click हुआ. But back then there was no social media. Right now it's like a boom.
Yeah.
So it was very tough, handling house and doing that extensive marketing. So
More
had
than
to
that,
eventually, and we didn't find good sourcing in Hyderabad. So traveling back to Mumbai and then so it was very difficult. And my son was very young, so he needed me. So traveling was not, it was not very comfortable. Then we took a very long gap. And then again, I got this idea. So नहीं मुझे तो कुछ करना है, but I need a partner because अकेले तो मैं कर नहीं पाऊंगी. I need some emotional support. So then who other? I called my sister. I have this brilliant idea. Are you up for it? Let's make a team and let's launch this. She was like, okay, I will support you, but don't think that I'll become your partner. I was like, no, you are when you are supporting, why don't you become a partner?
Yeah.
No. So then धीरे I think her husband
she brainwashed me. So my husband and her, they were like a team and they brainwashed me.
It took some few meetings with her.
But why are you so hesitant?
I don't know. I didn't want to start anything. I was like having a good life. I didn't want any stress at that time. But because मुझे वो था कि कुछ तो ये कर रही है, तो वो था कि फिर मुझे मौका नहीं मिलेगा. And social media, frankly, I started understanding social media only during COVID. I was editing videos and I was good at that. But I started posting it in my family group. So then that's when my sister-in-law, she told me that why don't you post it on Instagram. So तभी मुझे समझ में आया Instagram, social media, उसका उसका
She
reach
started
कैसा
a
है
page of her own daughters. Like she has twin daughters, so she makes beautiful videos and she posts it. So I was like, you already know social media. इतना तो आता है. अब products के related करना है, उतना ही सीखना है. So you take social media, I'll take website, and together we'll make a team. So थोड़ा time लगा, but then she was on it.
Yeah. Basically it is like a commitment and I can't back off. खुद के लिए कुछ कर रहे हैं तो कभी भी रोक सकते हैं, नहीं करना है मत करो. But when you start something, then I can't back off. So that commitment I was hesitant to commit. That was the problem. But talent पे शक नहीं है, commitment पे doubt.
Why leave the good life and
Yeah.
But great, yeah. But at least when you're doing something, that motivation is there. So, and with the kind of sales you all are having, it's always great.
Yeah. People have always liked our jewelry. Like whenever we have exhibited,
Yeah.
whoever has seen our jewelry lighting, they've always appreciated कि such kind of range we have not seen anywhere.
At least in Hyderabad, they are not, seeing that kind of jewelry. And even if they don't want to buy or they don't have our jewelry is, like special occasion or festival oriented. So even if they don't want to buy, they will specially come and appreciate that this kind of range, so we've never seen in Hyderabad. So you are doing good work. And at least they are spreading through word of mouth, we are getting appreciation. So that's also a win for us.
And
And
the first client.
first client, we launched online. So there were people like family and
Order.
friends who ordered on website. And then we thought थोड़ा customer के साथ हम लोग को वो 1-to-1 वो भी चाहिए था. So we started exhibiting later. So in city, then we started taking up pop-ups and everything. We wanted to meet customers. We wanted to analyze कि उनको क्या अच्छा लग रहा है. Are they liking the kind of stuff that we are keeping, or what is the thing that they are not able to find in the city? So उसके लिए we started exhibiting. But our main focus is to grow online.
And we enjoy meeting new people.
Yeah.
स्ट्रेंजर से बात करना और उनके साथ वो समझना उन्हें क्या चाहिए. And the way now people are recognizing us, like we have our own identity, so that is the best part.
So when there are same people visiting us in different places and different stores, so they recognize us as Popul Padara. They have good relation.
Yeah.
So that's how.
But as you all are born and brought up, you also have that healthcare, like with
Yeah.
fashion sense.
The
Yes,
fashion
taste.
sense, you can say
Definitely.
that because we are
Mumbai will always be
Mumbai.
first love.
Yeah, we are connected to Mumbai, and then that the fashion sense is obviously
It's like a
as
very
compared
common
to
thing.
Hyderabad.
Yeah.
So that way, Mumbai, born and brought up in Mumbai has helped us that way.
So when you said that you have started everything from scratch and you're doing the website on your own, I was really amazed कि कैसे ये possible है. How did you get the inspiration?
पहले फिगर आउट किया कि वेबसाइट बाहर देते हैं एंड शी वाज आल्सो लाइक कितना करेगी तू, यू कैन नॉट डू एवरीथिंग ऑन दैट, टू मच ऑन द प्लेट, थोड़ा बाहर सोर्सिंग करते हैं थोड़ा खुद से करते हैं. बट जो मेरी कोच थी शी वाज वेरी एडमेंट कि आपको आपके बिजनेस के हर एस्पेक्ट्स आने चाहिए बिफोर सोर्सिंग इट टू पीपल. So you should learn website building, you should learn Instagram handling, you should learn content creation, you should learn reel editing. सारा कुछ पहले आप सीखो, then you hire people. अगर आप पहले ही आप टीम बना लोगे तो आप उनको बोलोगे कि क्या क्या करना है. When you don't know कि आपको क्या कराना है, उनको आप क्या समझाओगे. So that's how I was like नहीं अभी मैं वेबसाइट
और
खुद ही
किसी
बनाऊंगी.
दिन वो अवेलेबल नहीं है, सो योर बिजनेस शुड नॉट स्टक समवेयर. यू शुड नो कि अगर वो नहीं है तो उनके एब्सेंस में तुम वो काम कर
Yeah,
सकते
your
हो.
business should be running.
Yeah.
So that's how then I decided नहीं सारा कुछ हम खुद ही करेंगे. We will start everything. So I had to learn, then I had to implement. So वो जो 6 महीने तो हुए हैं लॉन्च करके, पर उसके पहले भी
Sleepless
7
nights.
months का जो ट्रेनिंग था वो भी इसी में काउंट करो. We've been working on it and then there was a launch. So सारा कुछ पहले सीख के फिर किया है. We didn't outsource anything. Everything is done by both of us. So we are a team of 2 people.
Kudos to you guys. It's amazing. It's truly inspiring. But tell me, you all are sisters, तो बहुत easy होगा ना, तो ये कर ले, तो ये कर ले. कैसे?
No, not at all. Not at all.
दिन में हम एक दूसरे को 100 बार कॉल करते हैं, 200 बार कॉल करते हैं. एंड देन वी आर डिस्कसिंग. बीच में ही कुछ ऐसा हो जाता है दैट वी डोंट अग्री विद ईच अदर. वी बैंक द फोन. दोनों में झगड़ा हो जाता है. नेक्स्ट मोमेंट आई विल कॉल हर अप.
एक सेकंड
जो भी बोला था वो भूलना पड़ेगा. अब जो काम है वो करना पड़ेगा और फिर से हम काम पे आते हैं. उसके बीच में फिर से झगड़ा होता है. सो इट गोज इन द सर्कल लाइक
इट्स
दिस.
लाइक टॉम एंड जेरी रिलेशनशिप.
बट काम हो जाता है. वो हमारा पर्सनल हम साइड में रखते हैं. बट पर्पल पिटारा का कुछ बिगड़ना नहीं.
बिकॉज समवेयर या कंसर्न तो है एक दूसरे के लिए, पर झगड़ा तो नहीं जाएगा.
Yeah, then the fun element चला नहीं
Yeah.
चाहिए. So coming to fun, I have this little game with you all. Just take the cushions in your hand, and I'm gonna ask you all quick questions. Whoever is doing that that thing, just bang the cushion, okay?
Yeah.
So,
So I go here.
yeah.
Away from
Should I
you, so
back
that
up?
keep me hard.
You can, how much ever you want to.
Okay.
So in Purple Pitara, I'll ask a few questions. Tell me who's doing what, okay? So who's doing social media? Website handling. Very well done. Client handling.
Both of us.
Great. Photo shoot.
Both of us.
Accounts.
Me.
Wow.
She's not an account student though.
Wow. Inventory management.
Me.
Me also sometimes.
Product sourcing.
Both of us.
Content creation.
Me.
Editing.
It's me again.
A big one for you.
And family management.
That too we both have to do.
Both.
There's no
I
escape.
do it very well. So they tell me, this jewelry that you're wearing, it looks like almost gold polish. You know, what kind of polish is it?
It's actually gold polished. It's 22 karat gold polished. The material is brass. उसपे ये पूरे handcrafted jewelry है. And they are so lightweight that तुम अगर तुम्हें दिखने में वो statement jewelry दिख रही है, but once you wear it, it will not hurt your ears. So basically, अगर one line में describe करना है, so it's light on your pocket and on your ears. So that's the best thing I can describe.
And people are loving our jewelry so much that I would like to add that we haven't got a single return.
Wow.
So and
Yeah.
we get messages that they are getting compliments. People are asking कहाँ से खरीदा, हमको भी please उनका दे दो website link या wherever from where we can buy such jewelry. So
And we are offering 3 ranges like Western, Indo-Western भी jewelry है, Indian ethnic proper jewelry चाहिए तो वैसा भी है, festive jewelry चाहिए तो वो भी आप ले सकते हो वहाँ से. तो सारा range है, wedding collection बोल दो या कहीं तुम्हें office wear चाहिए या कोई meeting के लिए जाना, everything is like there on Purple Pitara.
Wow.
Affordable, from affordable range to premium with premium quality.
Great. So to end this, just like a message that you would want to give out to the people who are just starting out.
So, at the age of 40, if we both can, think of launching a new brand, starting off at this age, having 2 kids and managing the house at the same time, I think everybody out there, any woman out there can think of taking this bold step. Age is just a number, believe me, and you can, achieve all your dreams. Whatever you dream of can be fulfilled.
So don't be lazy. Start. You'll really like. After you start something, trust me, you will definitely like. Once you get your own identity and when you get a platform to showcase your talent, you are going to love that.
So guys, this was Purple Pitara and their story, and it's truly inspirational. Thank you so much for watching us, and for more such podcasts, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.